Picture this: you're just 5 years away from retirement. You've saved up your nest egg, but are you truly prepared? The truth is, many people think they're ready for retirement when they're really not. So, what can you do to make sure you're truly prepared? First, take a close look at your current expenses and your projected retirement expenses. Are you factoring in things like healthcare costs and inflation? Next, consider your retirement income sources. Do you have a pension or other retirement accounts? What about Social Security benefits? It's also important to think about your retirement lifestyle. Do you plan to travel or pursue other hobbies? Make sure you budget accordingly. And finally, don't forget about taxes. Your tax situation could change once you're no longer working full-time. By taking these steps and working with a financial advisor, you can make sure you're truly prepared for retirement. Don't wait until it's too late, start planning today. Remember, with the right planning and preparation, you can make your retirement dreams a reality.